Are you looking to boost your performance naturally without supplements or shortcuts? Whether it's strength, stamina, or overall vitality, the right exercises can make a powerful difference. In today's video, we'll cover the top 6 exercises that naturally enhance performance. Simple, effective, and backed by science. 1. Squats. Squats are a full-body powerhouse. They build lower body strength, improve blood flow, and boost hormone production, key for overall performance. 2. Deadlifts. Deadlifts target multiple muscle groups at once. They increase core strength, improve posture, and enhance total body power. 3. Push-ups. A classic but highly effective exercise. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms while also improving endurance. 4. Planks. Core strength is essential for performance. Planks improve stability, balance, and control, helping you perform better in any activity. 5. Sprinting. Short bursts of sprinting increase stamina, testosterone levels, and cardiovascular health, all crucial for peak performance. And 6. Kegel exercises. Often overlooked, Kegels strengthen pelvic floor muscles, which play a key role in control and endurance. Incorporate these exercises into your routine consistently, and you'll notice real improvements naturally. No shortcuts, just smart training. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more performance-boosting tips. See you in the next video.